network to the switch site. Okay. So what is the day-to-day activities? One new site has come up. I want to check the line of sight. First, we need to check the line of sight. Then only we can able to establish a microwave link. So I checked with this site. Yes, there is a LOS, and I checked with this site also. I have a LOS. So then I decided this site is very close to my site. So I preferred this one because it is very safe. Because microwave is vulnerable to a lot of cases, atmospheric cases, terrain cases, and equipment cases, and also maintenance issues are there. So that is why we, whenever a hop length is very short, it is very safe to install a microwave link. So I preferred this one. Okay, this is one activity. And second activity is, for example, suddenly there is a building between these two links, and the link was disturbed or the link was disconnected. So I need to connect this site with some other existing site. So I found a LOS with this site. So I connected it with the existing site. So for that, I need to find the LOS. LOS is nothing but line of sight. If I climb the tower from here, I'm standing here, I can able to clearly see this tower. Okay, then only we can say that we have a line of sight between these two sites. Okay, since if this is very close, we can easily see that one. If it is not close, if we can't able to see in a naked eye, then what is the other options? The other options are one person, we can tie up the nitrogen balloons in one tower, and we can see this that from the remote site. And otherwise, second one is using the mirror method. The light gets reflected in the mirror, and then we send a communication from here to here. Or otherwise, use the laser lights. One person will radiate the laser light from here, and the other person can able to see that laser light. So these are all the three methods which is used to find the line of sight between these two sites, between two sites. Okay, so what is happening in the baseband site? So this is a rectangular antenna. This is used to communicate with the mobile device. And the another one, microwave antenna. This is microwave antenna, parabolic antenna. It used to communicate with the other cellular towers. Okay, so what is happening? One person started talking to another person. So the signals are sent to the rectangular antenna. The rectangular antenna sends the signals to the BTS. The BTS process all the signals and give it as a baseband signal to the microwave equipment. The microwave equipment, this is called as a modem. So modem, what will do? It receives the baseband signal from the BTS, and using the carrier frequency, it converts it to IF frequency. That IF frequency sends to the antenna. Here there will be a radio in the antenna, which is attached to the antenna. This radio will convert the IF frequency to RF frequency so that it can able to travel in the atmosphere. So this is the one. So these are all the frequencies we are using it between the mobile phone to the cellular tower. So if you are going to buy a mobile phone, you can see the bands. So what it means, the mobile phone can work on these bands. If some of the bands may not be available in the some of the legacy phones, like if you have an old phone, you can't see these bands 3500, 2500, 3900. And if you launch a 5G services, your legacy phone doesn't support the 5G services. Similarly, this 2600 megahertz, these are all new frequencies. So whenever you are buying a mobile phone, you should ensure that all the frequency bands are supported by this guide. And also you can see how many number of antennas are there in your mobile phone. If you have more number of antennas, your data rate will be quite high. So usually it is written as 4x4 or 8x4. 4x4 means your mobile phone has 4 antennas are there. Okay, these antennas are inbuilt. So it looks like your shirt button. It is placed in your mobile phone. And here, this rectangular antenna, it looks like one single antenna. But inside this antenna, there are array of antennas are there. Almost 128 antennas are there under this inside this antenna, one rectangular antenna. Why? Because we are